channel. So today I'm going to be making a traditional Pakistani dish. It's called Saag, and with this I'm going to be making it with sliced spring greens. So I've got 2 packets of this and they're both 300 grams each. So I'm going to put both of these packets in. I'm now going to add the second packet. This looks a lot, but this is going to shrink completely. Once it's boiled down, it's going to completely shrink. So now I'm going to add some water. Okay, now this has been boiling for a while now, so this looks nice and done. So I'm going to now turn off the heat and drain this completely out. So now I'm going to add 100 grams of butter. So I'm going to allow this to melt. So once the butter has melted, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. You can use fresh or you can use it from the jar. It's really your choice. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of crushed chilli. And a tablespoon of salt. I'm just going to mix this all up. So now I'm going to add the drained saag. So I'll just put that all in. I'm going to put the heat up on a high and mix all the ingredients together. We're just going to keep cooking this on a high heat. So with a masher, I'm just going to mash up the saag. So this just helps with the bigger pieces. I'll just carry on cooking this. So I've been mixing this for a while, so it's started to look like the way I want it to, like this. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. I'm just going to mix that in. So once this is all nicely mixed in, I'm going to cook this for another 10 minutes on a high heat. So you've got to keep an eye on it and keep stirring. So the 10 minutes are now over. This looks nicely done, so we're going to turn off the heat now. So here is our finished traditional Pakistani saag. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. You can serve this with rice or naan bread, so I'm using naan bread. Hope you guys give it a try. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks guys for watching.